Hey guys, how are you? I hope you are fine. Welcome to Mesmerize and welcome to a huge Flipkart and Myntra haul. In this video, you are going to see me unbox three hoodies basically. No, I am not going to unbox two out of the three hoodies as two of them are for gifting purposes, so I won't open them. But I will try to make a video when they will open the parcels. I will try, but let's see. And the Myntra one is for me, so I am going to open that one. Every time when the winter onsets, I go crazy about buying hoodies for me as well as for my family members. I am really addicted to wearing hoodies and make everyone wear hoodies also. So my hoodie is from Roadster and it was priced at rupees 1399, that is 1400, and I got it at an unbelievable price, that is rupees 599. Only 600. I have got more than 50% off in this product. The color is vintage indigo, and trust me guys, it's such an uncommon color. This color you won't get everywhere, and this is really a color to die for. I love blues, and any clothing or any item that is a shade of blue. It is not completely blue but a mixture of blue and green. You can say sea green or bluish green, but it's a very lovely color. The size chart given is absolutely perfect. Follow the size chart and you're ready to go. So basically this was my Flipkart and Myntra haul. Stay tuned, do hit the like button.